Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade jelly without gelatin and agar agar. We'll focus on using the natural pectin found in many fruits. This method relies on a careful balance of fruit, sugar, and acid to achieve that perfect wobbly texture. You'll discover how simple it is to create delicious, natural jelly right in your own kitchen, using ingredients you likely already have on hand. Let's get started on this sweet journey. To begin, select fruits naturally rich in pectin, such as tart apples, cranberries, or citrus peels. Wash your chosen fruit thoroughly, then chop it into small pieces, removing any cores or seeds. Place the prepared fruit into a large pot, adding just enough water to cover it. This initial step extracts the pectin and flavor from the fruit, forming the base for your delicious homemade jelly. Aim for about 1/4 cup of water per pound of fruit. Next, bring the fruit and water mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Cook until the fruit is very soft and pulpy, which usually takes around 20 minutes. Once cooked, carefully pour the mixture into a jelly bag or a colander lined with several layers of cheesecloth. Allow the juice to drip naturally into a clean bowl for several hours or even overnight. Resist the urge to squeeze the bag, as this can make your jelly cloudy. Finally, measure your strained fruit juice and add an equal amount of sugar back into the pot. Bring this mixture to a rapid boil, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves. Continue boiling until it reaches the gelling point, which you can test by placing a small amount on a cold plate. Once it sets, carefully ladle the hot jelly into sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace. Seal the jars and process them for long-term storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.